हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग सीबीएसई में प्रोबेबिलिटी की स्टडी कर रहे हैं। इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो वी लर्न टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन प्रोबेबिलिटी। नाउ इन दिस वीडियो we'll continue the same. We'll learn some more problems based on probability. First is, a coin is tossed once. What is the probability of getting a head or tail? We know that when we toss a coin, only two outcomes are possible, that is head and tail. So total number of outcomes, or you can say possible outcomes, are 2. We have one formula for probability, that is probability equals number of favorable outcomes upon number of all possible outcomes. First part, P getting a head, only one head can come out of two outcomes, so probability of getting a head is 1 upon 2, and the probability of getting a tail is also 1 upon 2. Next question is, if PE equals 0.05, what is the probability of not E? ये जो इवेंट्स हैं PE and P not E are complementary events, and we know that their sum is 1. We know that PE plus P not E equals 1, means किसी इवेंट के होने की और उस इवेंट के ना होने की दोनों की प्रोबेबिलिटीज का जो सम होता है वो होता है 1. P equals 0.05, so we can put 0.05 in place of PE plus P not E. हमें P not E फाइंड करना है, इसलिए इस 0.05 को इक्वल की राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करना होगा. जब हम इस 0.05 को इक्वल की राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करेंगे तो ये इसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. इधर ये प्लस 0.05 है, इधर आके माइनस 0.05 हो जाएगा. हमें 1 में से 0.05 को माइनस करना है. देखिए कैसे माइनस करेंगे. 1.00 में से 0.05 को माइनस करेंगे और ये माइनस करने पे आता है 0.95. Now we have one more question. Two coins are tossed simultaneously, साथ साथ 400 times, and we get two heads 180 times, one head 148 times, no head 72 times. If two coins are tossed at random, what is the probability of getting first part 2 heads, second part 1 head and 0 head? Solution: total number of outcomes are 400. We have the formula that probability equals number of favorable outcomes upon number of all possible outcomes. First part, P getting 2 heads. 2 heads come 180 times out of a total 400. The 0 and 0 you can cancel. Now cancel by 9. 2 9s are 2 20s are. Finally, it is 9 upon 20. Second part, 1 head comes 148 times. P getting 1 head. One head comes 148 times. Now, P getting 1 head is 148 upon 400. Can cancel by 2. Again by 2. 37 upon 100. Third part, P 0 head means no head, 72 times upon a total 400. Cancel by 2 or 4, by 8 also it can be cancelled. 8 9s are 8 5s are 9 upon 50. We take one more question. A die is thrown 500 times and the outcomes are noted as given below. Outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आपको मालूम है किसी डाइस को अगर 1 टाइम थ्रो करते हैं तो ये 6 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 में से कुछ भी आ सकता है. If a die is thrown at random, find the probability of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. See the solution for this question. Number of possible outcomes are 500. Formula for probability is number of favorable outcomes upon number of all possible outcomes. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमें 1 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है। हम देखेंगे 1 जो आउटकम है वो 95 टाइम्स आ रहा है, तो 95 अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स 500, आप इसको 5 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं। ये हो गया 19 अपॉन 100। 2 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी आपको फाइंड करना है। 2 आता है 80 टाइम्स, 80 अपॉन 500, 0 0 you can cancel by 2, it is 4 upon 25. Now P3 आता है 84 टाइम्स अपॉन 500, कैंसिल बाई 4, that is 21 upon 125. P4 आता है 68 टाइम्स अपॉन टोटल 500, कैंसिल बाई 4, 17 अपॉन 125। 5 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है। 5 आता है 70 टाइम्स, 70 अपॉन 500, 0 and 0 कैंसिल्ड, 7 अपॉन 50। 6 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है। 6 आता है 103 टाइम्स अपॉन 500। This way we have found all the required probabilities. Now we take one more question, that is 2 dice are thrown simultaneously 500 times. Each time the sum of the 2 numbers appearing on their tops is noted and recorded as given below. These are the outcomes and their frequencies. If the 2 dice are thrown once more, what is the probability of getting a sum 5 more than 9, less than or equal to 6, between 6 and 10? See the solution. Total number of outcomes are 500. Formula for probability is number of favorable outcomes upon number of all possible outcomes. First part, question is, what is the probability of getting a sum 5? 5 sum आ रहा है 56 times. Required probability is 56 upon 500. You can cancel them by 4. 14 upon 125. Second part, required probability equals क्या है, more than 9. More than 9 में 3 cases हैं, 10, 11 and 12. These all you have to add. 53 plus 39 plus 28 upon 500. 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 8 20, carry over 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7 plus 5 12. 120 upon 500, 0 0 cancelled. 2 6 and 2 25, it is 6 upon 25. Third part, less than or equal to 6, 6 या उससे less. Required probability less than or equal to 6, 6 और उससे लेस वाले सारे नंबर्स आपको ऐड करने हैं. दैट इज 22 प्लस 30 प्लस 48 प्लस 56 प्लस 64 upon the total is 500. Add them. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 2 20, carry over 2, 6 plus 2 8, plus 5 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 3 20, 20 plus 2 22. 0 and 0 cancel, then cancel by 2, you are getting 11 upon 25. Fourth part, between 6 and 10. Required probability between 6 and 10. 6 और 10 के बीच में आता है 7 8 9. 7 70 times, 8 64 times, 9 26 times upon 500. Add them. 6 plus 4 10, carry over 1 2 1 3, 3 6 9 7 16 upon 500, 0 0 cancel. 2 8 is 16, 2 25 is, finally it comes 8 upon 25. Okay, so the required probabilities are 14 upon 125, 6 upon 25, 11 upon 25 and 8 upon 25. Now we take one more question. The king, the jack and the 10 of spades are lost from a pack of 52 cards, and a card is drawn from the remaining cards. After shuffling, find the probability of getting a red card, black jack, a red king, and 10 of hearts. Solution for this question. You know, total number of cards in the pack usually are 52. The king, the jack, the 10 of spades lost. Cards lost. The king, the jack, the 10 of spades. So number of cards lost are 3. Remaining cards, you can say number of remaining cards is 52 minus 3, 49. Now, you know the formula for probability. Number of favorable outcomes upon number of all possible outcomes. First part, P or red कार्ड. देखो हमने कार्ड्स को रिमूव किया है या जो लॉस्ट हो गए हैं वो हैं स्पेड्स के. स्पेड्स होता है ब्लैक. तो हमारे 3 ब्लैक कार्ड्स लॉस्ट हो गए हैं. हमारे पास जो कार्ड्स बचे हैं उसमें 26 रेड कार्ड्स और 23 ब्लैक कार्ड्स हैं. हमें रेड कार्ड की प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है. तो 26 अपॉन 49. ओके. सेकंड पार्ट में ब्लैक जैक. Cards removed or cards lost are king, jack and 10. एक ब्लैक हमारा जैक कम हो गया है. वैसे हमारे पास 2 ब्लैक जैक होते हैं, 1 ऑफ स्पेड्स एंड 1 ऑफ क्लब्स. 1 जैक ब्लैक जैक of spades is lost, so we have only 1 black jack, that is of clubs. So required probability is 1 upon 49. Third part, red king, P red king. We have all the red cards with us. In that 2 red kings are there. So 2 upon 49. Fourth part, P 10 of hearts. Hearts are red or P10, यानी कि 10 of hearts is there in the pack and that is only 1. So 1 upon 49. So we have the required probabilities like P a red card 26 upon 49, P a black card black jack is 1 upon 49, P a red king 2 upon 49, P 10 of hearts 1 upon 49. Okay, that's all for this video. We'll continue the same topic in our next video also. You can solve some more problems given in the PDF attached in the description box. Thank you.